friends, I welcome all of you back to my Southern Kitchen and the second episode of Ellen's ChristKwan Series. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all some good old fried sweet plantains. And plantains are similar to bananas. They are super sweet and delicious. And they're so simple and easy to make, and they're the bomb.com. Everybody's going to love and enjoy these, and great to serve for your Kwanzaa feast. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more recipes, check out my Southern Recipes playlist and my previous video, Homemade Eggnog. I'll post the link to those down below in the description box. So grab your plantain and heat up some oil, sugar, because we're about to fry some sweet plantains magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, over here I have my plantains. I'm using 2 ripe plantains. So we're going to cut the ends. And then we're going to slit the middle like so. Keep your fingers out the way. And remove the flesh. Same thing with the other. Cut the ends and slid in the middle. Just like that. So now we're going to cut the plantain 1/4 of an inch thick slices. Cut them diagonal. Oh, it smells so good. Love the smell of plantains. Alrighty, so now we're going to set this aside. Over here, I have my cast iron skillet. And we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of canola oil. Or you can use vegetable oil. That's 1. 2. And 3. Gonna twirl it around so the oil can coat the pan. And all we do is let it get hot. Alrighty, my friends, our oil's nice and hot. So now we're gonna add in our sliced plantains. Yeah, hear that sizzle? That's what you want. So we're going to let them fry on one side for 1.5 minutes. Alrighty, let's take a look at our plantains. Oh yeah, gorgeous! Nice and caramelized. So we're going to finish frying on the other side for 1 minute. And then I'll fry the second batch of plantains. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through frying my plantains, and I place them on some pans lined with paper towels to drain the oil. I'm going to sprinkle them with some kosher salt, ground cinnamon, and white sugar. Just sprinkle them right on top. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Fried sweet plantains. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Y'all hear that crunch? It's perfectly cooked. Has a nice sweet and salty balance. These are scrumptious, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. fried plantains licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy Kwanzaa.